Hello guys, in this video I am going to talk about Spring Boot security. This is going to be very short video so that you can start Spring Boot security right away. So let us get started. Alright, so let me go to the Spring Initializer and Spring. Okay, so click the first link and I'm going to create the basic a simple Spring Boot project. Okay, and here group name demo I want to give hello Spring security. Okay, and the package name is this one, and I want to keep Gradle as a build file, and after that I'll be using Java 17, and I need to add the dependency. Okay, so add dependency, and here Spring Wave. Okay, after that you need to just click generate. Okay, so it got created. I mean, the project structure is already generated and I need to save it somewhere in my computer. Okay, where I can save, so I want to save it in this location, so I'm saving it here. So you can see that it got downloaded, and what it says, always what. Okay, let it be now. So this is our project and I'm going to extract it. Okay, here extract here. After that I'm going to delete this zip file. Okay, now I am going to import this in my STS. It is so simple. Okay, so I am coming to my STS and here import as Gradle project. Okay, import project and existing Gradle project. So double click it here and give the path of that Spring security that I have downloaded. Okay, then click next. It is importing and it may take a little bit of time. Okay, finish. You can see on the left panel, package explorer, hello Spring security. Okay, and this is the bare minimum project. It doesn't have much thing except the main application. So if I click this com.example, you will see this the main class. Okay, and just I want to quickly create a controller and a new class, and here I want to keep my controller inside controller package, and here I want to give hello controller. Okay, and finish. After that I want to mark it as a REST controller, REST controller. That's it. And after that, okay, return hello. So it is so simple, and I want to annotate these things at a get mapping, and here as hello. That's it. And after that I want to start this application. Okay, so for that you can directly come to this main application and you can click run as Spring Boot app, Java application also, and also you can also start from here. So you can start something like this. Okay, okay, Now you can see that the application is already started. Okay, and how can I access this endpoint, hello endpoint that I have just created? Okay, I need to go. You can see that the default port is 8080. Okay, so I am going to the browser and localhost, then 8080, and I have given the name of that endpoint. I mean the git mapping is hello, so it should display hello. Okay, it is displaying it. Okay, as of now nothing special about this controller because it is so simple. Now say that this thing is exposed to everyone. Everybody can access this endpoint. In case if we want to restrict this for some kind of restriction that we want to implement, and that is what we can use the Spring Security. Okay, so how we can do that? So what we can do, we can come here, and after coming, so I need a Spring Security dependency. Okay, you can search security, you can click here, and after that you can check, you can click explore, then you will be able to see implementation, this one, Spring Boot Starter Security. This is the only dependency I need to enable the Spring Security. Okay, so I'm going to copy this line, that means the dependency for Spring Boot Security, and I'm going to paste it in my build.gradle file. So I am opening that build.gradle file, and after that I am pasting it here. So after that, what I need to do, I need to just Gradle and refresh Gradle, so that the new dependency is added to this project. Okay, that's it. Now what is going to happen, let me restart this application once again, because I just added new things here. So right click and then click again here. Okay, now come here and again, and try to access this hello endpoint and check how it works. Do you see it automatically redirected to login page, because we have added that Spring Boot Security Starter dependency. So by default it will enable for all the endpoints that we have in our application. Okay, so now how am I going to access that hello endpoint? So we should have some kind of user and password, right? So the default user is user, and the password will be printed in the console. Okay, this is the password. Then paste it here. Okay, sign in. Now you can see that you are able to access that endpoint. Okay, so what we did, we created a simple Spring Boot application, then we created hello controller, which is again a simple controller, and in that controller we have written only one endpoint, which is hello. Then we were able to access that hello endpoint without any authentication. The later one, we added this dependency, which is nothing but Spring Security. Once this is added, Spring Boot automatically added security to the application that we have created. In this project, we have seen a simple Spring Boot security. You might be thinking, Spring Security is so simple. Don't be so glad. This is not production ready code. Of course, the security layer of any application can be complex and sophisticated. In this video, I just scratched the surface of the security layer. We can do a lot of things with this simple Hello World application to make it production ready code. So stay tuned to my channel, and if you liked my video, give a thumbs up. Also share and subscribe to my channel.